Xin chào tất cả các em học sinh. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục tiết writing bài 6 Global Warming. Now, let's start with writing Unit 6 Global Warming. Global warming causes and effects. And before we come to the main part of writing, I would like to track your old lesson. And as you studied in listening, according to Professor Ling, what are the greenhouse gases? So you can see that there is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, water vapor. What leads to the increase in temperatures? The thick layer of the greenhouse gases traps more heat from the sun, leading to the increase of the temperatures on the earth. And what catastrophic weather patterns are mentioned in the talk? Now you can see that heat waves, flood, drought, and storm surges. And what can the catastrophic weather pattern lead to? Famine, water shortages, extreme weather conditions, and a 20 to 30% loss of animal and plant species. And why is that necessary to be well informed about the topic? When you have a lot of information about the topic, you'll be more willing to change your lifestyle and you'll be able to inform others and inspire change. And now we come to writing. Now the first activities of writing today is category.
Global warming causes and effects. 1. Which are the causes and which are the effects of global warming? Complete the diagram with the ideas below.
Now read through from 1 to 9 heat-related illnesses and death and spread with infectious diseases. Carbon dioxide emission from the burning of fossil fuels in power plants and motor vehicles. 3. The melting of polar ice caps and rising of the sea levels. 4. Deforestation for farmland, wood and paper. 5. People losing homes. 6. Extreme weather patterns such as severe storm, heat waves, flood and drought. 7. The increasing use of chemical fertilizer on croplands. 8. Widespread extinction of species. And 9. Water and food shortages. So you can see you have a causes of global warming is that? Yeah, a lot of like you can see. Okay. And from that you have an effect. The increasing use of chemical fertilizer on cropland is, for example, we have a 7. Deforestation for farmland, wood and paper. So number 4. Continue. Carbon dioxide emission from the burning of fossil fuel in power plants and motor vehicle, for example, number 2. And then we have an effect is that the melting of polar ice cap and rising of sea levels. So number 3 here. Number 1, heat-related illness and death, suppress. So 1. Yeah. Number people losing harm. Number 5, for example. Continue. And after finishing the exercise, press on submit button. Now we continue. Outline of writing.
2. Work in pairs. Discuss and complete the outline using the ideas from 1. Brainstorm some possible solutions.
Now, the introduction. So the introduction is that you introduce the topic and the main content of the essay. For example, one of the biggest issues facing humans nowadays, for example, occurs mainly by humans or most catastrophic effect on human, for example. The second, what global warming is and what causes it. So, the rise in the average temperature of the Earth due to the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide emission from the burning of the fossil fuels, effect of global warming, heat-related illnesses and death and spread of infectious diseases. Some possible solution is reducing energy use, planting trees or plant, using green methods of transport, and conclusion is summarize the main point and state your opinions. And you can press on Show's answer to consult more information. Yeah, okay, you can see that it's clearer. Yeah. Now, before we come to writing an essay, I would like to introduce you some useful instruction. Lead to, contribute to, result in, cause, have serious consequences or impact on, make. Now, we come to the final, writing your essays.
3. Now write your essays between 160 to 180 words, using the helpful expressions in the box, the outline, and your notes in 2.
Yes. Now, you can exchange your idea with your partners and then writing your essays. But if you use IseeBooks, you can write here and then press on Submit button. But if you want to consult more information, you can press on Show's answers. Yes, it is a sample's answers for you. Now, we've just finished writing of Unit 6 Global Warming. At home, access to IseeBooks to do the exercise again, learn by heart onwards and how to write your essays about global warming, and prepare the next lesson, communication and culture. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.